all the amazing methods that I have used and tried to earn money online, there's only one method that really stood out to me. And you're probably thinking, what could this method be? It's probably really expensive. It's probably something you have to pay for. You probably need a ton of experience. Well, I want you guys to actually know that this method is not going to need any of that, because you're going to love to hear that this method is super easy and it's quick, and I'm not even kidding, and I know you guys want to jump right into it. So if you want to get started, then make sure you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. I'm here to show you guys how you're gonna make money online quick, so I'm not gonna ask you to pay for anything, which means this method is 100% free. It's also super convenient, it's efficient, and it's accessible. It's available worldwide. You don't even have to worry about that. You don't need anything at all except yourself, any device, and a good internet connection. You're pretty much good to go. You guys are gonna love it. Just make sure you watch the entire video so that you guys don't get confused or anything. So let's jump right into it. So our first website is called remotetasks.com, and some of you probably already know what this website is because it is quite popular, especially in today's time. But if this is new to you and you're new to the money-making online world, then I'm going to talk to you guys about what Remote Tasks is all about. It's basically a platform where you can earn in US dollars by doing simple online tasks from the comfort of your own home. And this platform has a community of over 240,000 taskers, and the platform is available in more than 90 countries in the whole wide world, with a total of $15 million in revenue paid to taskers. Imagine those numbers, those are huge. Now this platform is surely an all-star, hands down. This is one of the best platforms for you guys to make money online. I mean, what else is better than an amazing, comprehensive community with credentials like this? So how does this work? Well, you're going to find out how to do this entire thing by scrolling down along the page for a bit, and then you're going to find this section over here. Now, you can actually just pull this whole thing off with 3 simple steps. Step 1, you're going to learn easily. You're going to learn how to do tasks, whether quick online courses or free hands-on training. Step 2, you're going to complete tasks. You're going to work on tasks from projects that you've unlocked. And finally, step 3, which is the best part, it's to get paid in US dollars every week. You can get paid fast via either PayPal or ATM based on the quality of your tasks and also the number of tasks that you've completed and stuff. So here in Remote Tasks, all you have to do is accomplish the tasks and get paid. It's super easy. It's that simple. And to give you guys an idea that you can do, maybe you can do labeling images to transcribing audio. If you guys want to see more amazing ways to make money online, then make sure that you check out the links in our description box. Click on those links because those links are exclusively for our subscribers, and I know you guys are gonna love it, so make sure you click on the links in the description box to make more money than this method. And I also want you guys to answer this question in the comments down below. What would be your dream if you're able to earn the money from today's method? What are you gonna be doing with that money? I'm just curious, and while you're at it, include what country you come from and maybe what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Anyway, moving forward, like I told you from the very start, you're not going to need any experience or skills because this platform is going to teach you everything that you need to know. You're going to learn how to do tasks from their very own online courses, or you can join their free bootcamp program to get hands-on training by certified team members. And the more you scroll down, you're going to find out that you even have the freedom to work literally from anywhere, anytime, and enjoy the safety and comfort of your own home and just working remotely. So all you need is just use your device. You're gonna connect to the internet, and just like that, that's literally all you need. So in this section right here, you're gonna find some of the most frequently asked questions by potential taskers. So you can also feel free to explore these questions. Maybe you have a few questions of your own, and for sure you're gonna find the answers to that over here. But I'm not going to go through each of them, but I do suggest that you go through them because it will help you a lot if you still have some queries that you would like to be answered. So you're going to go to the bottom of the page, and then you're going to look at these people's success stories. Basically testimonials. They're inspiring, and you're going to see that it's all legit, meaning this platform is real because it's done wonders for someone else out there, and even for me. So now that you have enough information and enough background about this platform, I want you to scroll all the way back up to the top of the page. You're going to click on this button that says sign up, and once you've done that, you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to be able to sign up with remote tasks. It's super easy because you're just going to tick on this box and then continue the registration process. You can either do this using your Google account or your Facebook account, or manually, whatever your choice is. And it's super duper easy. So as soon as you're done and you've completed everything, you are officially a part of remote tasks. It's that easy. Now it's time for you to earn some money. Like and subscribe before going any further because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos. And we promise you won't regret it. You can also maybe comment below what you guys are loving so far about today's video so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. Let's proceed. At this time, I'm going to show you another way that's going to help you earn money, and that is with SurveyTime.io. Now, you've probably already heard about this website. Again, it's already famous pretty much, and basically SurveyTime.io is a platform where you can instantly get rewarded with cash or even through gift cards for every survey that you're able to complete. And the best thing about this website is that they have unlimited surveys to offer that you can accomplish and fill up whenever you want, wherever you are, and whenever you need extra money. So it's amazing, right? You can also have this SurveyTime.io platform for you to rely on whenever you're in a bit of a jiff. So it's amazing because it will help you earn a couple of bucks. And basically this website is self-explanatory, but if you do want to find out more, if you do want to learn more, you can watch the tutorial video that is on their platform. It's just less than a minute. You can watch the video. It's super fast, and it's basically going to go through everything that you possibly want to know, so you can also do that. I know you guys are also going to be happy to find out that this website is rated a 4.5 on Trustpilot, which is a big thing because Trustpilot is one of the most reliable and strongest rating platforms in the World Wide Web, and huge apps are here, right? And most apps get only 3 stars. So SurveyTime.io is definitely a good app, and even I can tell you that because I've used it myself also. And then you're gonna get rewarded through a lot of payment methods. There's PayPal, there's bank transfer, there's gift cards from your favorite retail stores. And just like remote tasks, the sign-up process is fairly easy as well. You can just use your Facebook or your Google and even your Twitter account. And just like that, you have an account. So it's super easy. And the final website for today is called BuzzBreak, and BuzzBreak is actually an app that you can download on your phone, and it wants to give you a smooth and fun time since you can just download it and literally do it wherever you are. It's available in the Google Play Store as well as the Apple App Store, so it doesn't matter what device you have. And Basically, BuzzBreak, as you can see here, is a lifestyle app that shows you all popular content from all over the internet. You're going to find interesting videos from the web. You can enjoy funny memes posted by users from all over the world. And you can even read world-breaking events, as well as you can view all of these types of content. So by doing so, by watching these things, by viewing these, you're going to earn money. It's super simple. You can do it with your eyes closed. And the BuzzBreak app also holds significant power because it's downloaded by over 600,000 users, and all these users are satisfied with how this app works. So you could really say that this app is 100% reliable. So if you guys want to do that, make sure you try all 3 websites that I have showed you today. That's the only way you're gonna get the most successful results. Also, don't forget to click the links in the description box down below. Exclusive links for the subscribers to make more money than ever. Make sure you do that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.